Hello, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to PT Garin Indonesia. Your name is Muhammad Iqbal, right?
Right, thank you for having me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you for asking me. And you?
Great, thanks. Let's go start to interview.
Okay, sure.
First of all, let me properly introduce myself. I am the accounting department manager. As you know, there is an open position in my department, position accountant junior, and I need to fill this position as soon as possible. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Febriana Gainsa. I was fresh graduate at Polytechnic Negeri Bandung, and I just graduated with a bachelor degree in government management accounting with a 3.3 GPA. I recently interned with Cimahi City Government as an accountant assistant. This opportunity gave me to hone a skill like handle monthly journal entries for preparation financial report, analysis expenses, review and corrected accounting entries.
Okay. What are you looking for this in this job?
The job should me see what accounting is all about. I have learned a lot of accounting theory at college, and now it is time for me to put them into practice to real work. And I also hope that it will help me grow in my field and grow my career. My skill and interest will fit with the role.
Okay, that's great. How do you handle pressure?
I handle pressure by first of all drawing up a list of tasks that need to be complete and by which time scale. I will then work the necessary hours to make sure the job is complete on time.
Okay. What are you strange?
I'm hardworking person and fast learner. I'm very eager to learn and I get along well with people.
How do you manage your time throughout the workday?
At the beginning of every day, I take 15 minutes to review my agenda and the work that needs to get completed. Then I schedule my time accordingly. If there are any question as to the priority of a task, I have a quick alignment conversation with my manager. If new priorities arise or if something urgent threatens my initial plan, I will have another quick conversation with my manager to ensure we're on the same page.
How do you prefer to communicate with those around you in the workplace?
It depends. If it's a quick question, I tend to use instant messaging. But if it's going to take longer than a minute to respond, then I will send an email. If it is a sensitive conversation or one that could be misunderstood, I will set up a face-to-face meeting or make a phone call.
What do you when you don't immediately know the solution to a problem?
I research the answer. I love to figure out solution to problems using a variety of different methods. This could include online search, peer-to-peer coaching, or simply refreshing my memory using old textbooks.
Okay, Iqbal. Now, do you have any question?
No, I think I have pretty good understanding of the job because in the internet have clearly described what tasks to do in this job. I believe that I can handle it with ease and I hope to have the opportunity to work with you.
Okay. Iqbal, nice meeting with you. Just kindly waiting my confirmation via email or phone call. Thank you.
Sure, I will wait for the confirmation. I also would like to say thank you for giving me a chance to come for an interview.
Assalamualaikum. Halo, good morning, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Hey, good morning. Welcome to Gudang Garam TBK. Your name is Muhammad Fadlan, right?
Right. Thank you for having me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm Alhamdulillah good. Thank you for asking me. And you?
Great. Thanks. Shall we start?
Yes, sure.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Muhammad Iqbal as the Human Resource Manager. As you know, there is an open position for accountant junior, and I need to fill this position as quickly as possible. Please tell me about yourself.
All right. My name is Muhammad Fadlan Afif Asidik. I'm a fresh graduate. I was graduate with bachelor degree in Governance Management Accounting Department with a 3.53 GPA. I am sure that I understand the accounting cycle, bookkeeping, make a financial report, corporate governance, taxation, and many more. During my college, I have been an organization as a part of external communication, and I am as a freelancer to as a confection for the 6 years and a control catering for the last 1 years.
Why did you apply for this position?
This job should definitely help me grow in my career. I have researched this job and found that my skill and interest fit with the role. From my experience, I learned to understand situations when I have to work with a team or work individually. And as a controller, helped me to build the concept of internal control, work in detail and systematically. So I will be great match for a Gudang Garam TBK.
Okay, what makes you the best person for this job?
I would like to I think have shown you I have got the skill and experience required for this job. I am a good at bookkeeping, discipline, problem solving, honest, and enjoy learning from new things. From what I know and what I learned about this job, I think I will be an asset for Gudang Garam TBK.
Okay, now could you describe a time you work as part of a team?
Mm, When I work as a part of a team, I have to coordinate with other workers to achieve production target and sales target. Even though work as a team, each other this has their own job that must be fulfilled in order to achieve this goal.
That's good. And last, what is your biggest weakness?
Mm, I am easily provoked by emotion if something I do or one does not match the expectation or initial target that I have set. From there, I learned to design everything as well as possible so that the target and expectation that I want can be achieved. Besides that, I also sometimes like to forget something small to overcome this everything, whether small or big. I write either in notes or on my notes or scalpon.
Okay, Fadlan. Now, do you have any question?
Mm, yes, uh, if I'm accepted to work at this company, is there an opportunity to continue to a career path such as manager or similar position? And if accepted, will there be a rolling from the head office to the branch office or from the branch office to head office?
That's right. In this company, you have a career path according to the capabilities of the work are you doing. If your performance is good, then there will be a possibility to get a promotion. Then for placement, if you are accepted, you will be placed at the head office only. Any more question?
No, it's no. Thank you.
All right then. Thank you for coming. We will announce the result next week.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for making time to interview me for this position. I will be waiting for the great news.
Okay, Fadlan. Hope for the best.